Welcome back. Okay, we are going to continue with our lesson on digital literacy, ICT, introduction to computer. This time around, we are going to look at the applications of the computer. Where are computers applied? Where do we have areas where computers are applied? So the first application of the computer is in business. Computer is widely used in business. You are used in business, especially to carry out things like payroll calculations. Use the computer. You perform payroll calculations. You do budgeting using calculation. Sales analysis are done using computer. In business, you have financial forecasting are done using computer. You have managing employees database. You use the computer to manage the employees database. You have maintenance of stocks. Use the computer to maintain stocks in business. So that is how the computer is used in business. The next area where the computer is applied is in banking. Computer is used in performing banking transactions. Where somebody comes and deposit money, you have to use your computer to go into the person's account and register the amount that the person has deposited there. It's the same like when a person has come and do a withdrawal. You have to use a computer to perform that using the internet and the computer alone. So you cannot actually work in a bank situation without a computer and the internet, of course. ATM machines are making it even easier for customers to deal with banks. People can use their cards. Then they go into the ATM machines. They can withdraw a certain amount of money in their account. So that's how the computer is used in the banking world. So when the process is also used in insurance. Insurance, people insure houses, people insure houses, people insure lives, people insure property, people insure a lot of things, salaries, a lot of things, children, families, people insure a lot of things. So there's a way in which the account has to be recorded somewhere. The policies have to be recorded somewhere in the computer. So in insurance, you use the insurance computing, you use computer insurance procedure to continue with policies. You record in the computer the starting date of the policies. All of that is recorded in the computer. If in case policies are being implemented, use the computer to know the next two installation of a policy. Use maturity date, interest due, survivor benefit. That is how we use computer in the insurance world. In education, computer is widely applied in education, used in education. Yes, the computer provides a tool in education system known as CBE, computer-based education. CBE involve control, delivery, and evaluation of learning. That's a way in which learning control, we deliver, and we evaluate the way in which we are learning. So we use the computer in education. The computer education is rapidly increasing the graph of the number of computer students. So see, with the computer education, the number of people who advance in learning computer is increasing every day. So that is how a computer is used in education, used for research, used for communication, all of that. Also, computer is used where rapidly applied in marketing. You use the computer for designing flyers for advertising with computer, advertising professional create art and graphics, write and revise copies, and print and disseminate ads with the goal of selling more products. So you use the computer to create art and graphics, and then you use it now and you advertise it in the world, in the corporate world. And of course, you use the computer for advertisement. Also at home shopping. Home shopping has been made possible through use of computerized catalogs that provide what? That provide access to computer information and permit direct entry of orders to be filled by the customers. We use it for home delivery. Some people may be afar, and you may have a business partner that is selling from afar and want the person to come and deliver things to your house. There's a way you can communicate with the person and the person come and deliver it in your house. Once say it's home shopping. That's a picture that shows how you can stand, you can be in your house, your computer, and give a command and it deliver in your house. Computer is also widely applied in health, in the very area of health. Some major fields of health are in computer use are we have diagnostic system. Computer are used in collecting data and identify causes of illness. Next thing is lab diagnosis system. All tests can be done and reports are prepared by computer. Patient monitoring system. These are used to check patient signs for abnormality such as cardiac arrest, ECG. All that is used in patient monitoring system. That's the use of computer in patient monitoring system. Pharma information system. You also use computer in pharma information system. Computer checks drugs labels, expiring dates, harmful drug side effect to mention a few. Computer is so widely used and health in the domain of surgery. Nowadays, computers are also used in performing surgery to check. So that's the use of computer in the domain of health. We'll proceed with the other application of computer. Computer is also widely applied in engineering design. In engineering design. So in engineering design, computer are widely used in engineering purpose. One of the major area is computer-aided design cards that provide creation and modification of images. Some fields are structural engineering, which uses a computer, design of ship, building budget, airplanes, industrial engineering, computer deal with design, implementation, and what improvement of integrated system of people, materials, and equipment. Architectural engineering, computer help in planning towns. Yes, to plan the nature of a town. How a town looks like. You use the computer to plan it, designing building, determining a range of building on a site using one the 2D and 3D drawing. So that is how we use a computer in architectural engineering. So that is that with the use of computer. So computer is also well used in military. Military is a very in a country you have military all over to ensure that the safety in a country. Apart of God, you need military so that those who are not able to walk in the ways of God, they can be managed and disciplined by the government, the orders of the government. So we are talking about military here. Computers are largely used in defense, modern tanks, missile weapons, etc. Military are employ computerized control system. Some military areas where a computer has been used are missile control. Computer used in missile control. Are we there? Missile control, military communication, military operation and planning, similar weapon. That is how a computer is used on military. We are going to proceed with the next application of the computer in terms of communication. Communication means to convey a message, an idea, a picture, or a speech that is received and understood clearly and correctly by the person for whom it is meant for. Yes, maybe you want to give an information to somebody. There's a way that you have to communicate that information such that the person will have an understanding of what you are saying, else the information will just be fake. So computer is highly used in the what in communication in the other areas of communication where a computer is used, emailing, sending messages from one person to another using email, emailing, chatting, instant chatting, yes, especially in programs like Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram. To mention a few, Usenet also using computer FTP file transfer protocol, Telnet video conferencing. These are areas whereby computer is widely applied in communication. So you can see these are people that they can use their computers to communicate. You can make Skype call, video calls, all of that using what? Computers. Computers are also used in government by our government. Computer play an important role in government. Some major fields in these categories are budget. The government use computer to design their budget, calculate their budget, sales tax department, income tax department, male/female ratio, use that to calculate the male/female ratio in a country. So it's very important. So We have computerized of voter lists, use computerization of driving licensing system, computerization of PAN cards. PAN means personal area network. Weather forecasting, use computer to forecast the weather of a particular area. So this is a picture that shows you how computer is widely used by government agents, especially to design about weather forecasting, to design the male to female ratio in a particular country. Thank you for watching. This was our lesson on how computer is widely applied in our society. I believe it helped you continue to watch and learn more about the computer world. You are free to comment, subscribe, and share to others I want to have a knowledge about the computer system. Thank you for watching. See you another time.